Hi, it's Dr. Jones, and in this video, we're going to explore two Google Workspace options that will help you be able to communicate with others in your workspace. That is Google Chat and Google Meet. Both of these are options that have been included in your purchase of Google Workspace and allow you to communicate with other team members. So let's take a look first at Google Chat. I'm going to scroll this over here, and you're going to see down here at the bottom, I have an option for Google Chat. Google Chat allows me to create a new in-space chat within my Google platform here to talk to others that are on my workspace. So you can see here that Heather Gilbert is a part of my workspace. She is currently away. So this would be very similar to if you have, if you've worked in the corporate world and you've had an in-house chat where you've been able to talk with other people within the business. But I can send her a message and say, hello, and send that. And when she comes back online, it will pop up that she has a message. You can also create dual messages, and you can send them to outside of your Google Workspace as well, if you so choose. Now, chat is a great opportunity for you to be able to replace if you are using some other type of in-house communicator. This could also be a great way to parlay between Slack and here. You may want to use the chat for just internal communications and Slack to be able to communicate with customers and beyond. The other option that you're going to have down here is something called Meet. Meet would be the equivalent if you were using Zoom, but Meet, of course, is the visual face-to-face video conferencing opportunity that Google has put in place. By default, you have Google Meet as your video conferencing platform. If you decide here you'd like to go ahead and create a new meeting, you go ahead and click and then send your invite to those that you would like to join the meeting. And it's a great way to communicate. You can see that Heather has just now responded to my chat and is active. She received a message that I had sent and she was able to respond. I find that chat works really well when you need to archive or utilize information maybe differently than a text message. Now, remember, Google Meet is also a possibility when you create a new calendar invite. If you want to add video conferencing, by default, it's going to go to Google Meet. If you have installed Zoom Meeting, which is an add-on onto your Gmail, you can change the visual conferencing platform to Zoom on the drop-down arrow here. But by default, it's going to go to Google Meet because it's a part of your workspace. So that is chat, and that is Google Meet. Explore, think about maybe utilizing chat in a way in which it gives you a great way to communicate in-house with your other team members. And have some fun. It's a great place to really see how all of Google Space works together and can make you more productive. Thanks so much. See you on the next video.